Go. The high-speed shaft is very dangerous, so no touching. 你这袋子小心啊，小心卷到里面去。放背后。哎。
This one.
啊，他说这个可以结束了。哎。
What?
So we turn it off?
Yeah.
Okay.
关掉了。
哎。If there's any other parameters you would like to check on this one?
But you turn on the emergency machine motor?
He said no, that
No, not that.
no need to no. 他说这个辅传的电机要不要打开给他看一下？
辅传这个车嘛，就是。辅传测的好像边线接过来。去那边站。
So how about this? If you want to check the emergency ones, then we will reconnect the wires and to show you.
Okay.
How's that?
Okay. Which time?
Like right now.
I don't know. Okay.
You put those 3 cables
Okay.
in here, and then you can check it.
Sprawdzamy, czy nie sprawdzamy?
Bo mi się chcesz sprawdzić teraz? Bo oni mogą podłączyć. Wiedzieli, że to jest...
Okay.
Yeah. So it's the best time. We will check the small one.
Yeah.
Yes. So you said you want to check this one. So I thought the electrical engineer, he will put those 3 wires over here,
Okay.
and just to show you, like this.
You will wait?
Yes, in here.
Okay.
It will take like about 5 minutes.
Okay.
他说什么？他说想测一下。
让他们到那边去站岗。
OK。那还跟是吧？伊拉搿只小搿只电机啊，想测测看。哎。
哦。
那不错。
我请假提供一下。
好。好。OK。
我们拿走了。